Where you going? Where are you running to? Chloe, where you going?
I got it, Dave.
Gonna do some shopping?
Rainbow. The rainbow.
Where's the rainbow? You got your Peppa Pig house? Who is that? You need some dinner? What'd you like for dinner, Chloe? Chloe, what would you like for dinner? Chicken nuggets? Do you want some ranch? What?
It's a purple.
What's purple?
No, it's blue.
It's a bracelet.
Look, now they said the flag. Oh my. Wake up there. Wake up.
Your doctor outfit's in your bedroom.
Wake up.
I know, we don't need to play dress up. You gotta eat dinner.
Dinner. Water. Rainbow sea. Rocky sea. Rocky.
You got your fish tank.
Fish tank.
We can't go outside today, it's too rainy. Been raining all day, huh?
Outside. There was rain.
I know, we can't go out in the rain. You got our new umbrella. Does the job for now. Sorry, Chloe, we can't go play outside. It's too rainy.
It's too rainy.
You probably don't appreciate how the water beads up on the deck, do you?
It's the water.
Yeah.
It's water.
That's something that daddies appreciate.
It's just pink. It's pink.
It's pink? Well, the stain's kind of red. Reddish pink, I guess.
Alright.
You like it? Well, let's hope it warms up so we can get back to summertime, huh? You ready to eat dinner? Chloe? No, let Nacho come in. Say, come on in, Nacho. What?
I should open.
No, you close.
Close the door.
You can close it, look. You just gotta pull a little harder, see?
Where's Penny?
She's in.
Inside the Penny.
There she is, see? She's on the couch.
And the couch. There's a pirate. There's a pirate.
A pirate? Where?
There's a pirate.
Is that a pirate?
Yeah, pirate.
Oh.
It's a pirate.
You gonna put Penny in the basket?
Penny's in the basket. Hi, Penny. Come on, get the basket. Penny's in the basket.
You think you can get her in there?
Go get in.
Get in the basket, Penny.
Penny, coming down. Penny, come here.
She's getting away.
Penny, come back here.
I think she got away, Chloe.
Oh no! What?
Penny's getting away.
Penny, they gave away the basket.
Alright, let's eat some dinner. Then maybe we'll make another video, okay?
Wait! Come back! Leon, Penny, come back!
Uh-oh. Penny's getting angry.
Penny, come back! Leon!
I don't think she wants to play, Chloe.
Hi, Penny, come back! Hey, Penny, come back! Penny! Come back!
Chloe. Gotta leave Penny alone, okay? If she doesn't want to play, you gotta leave her alone. Alright, we'll make another video, okay?
Penny!
Chloe, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.